Hello everyone, welcome back to the FMCI YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be learning how to use Seesaw, a learning platform for small children. Seesaw is being used in the Franklin McKinley School District for kids in pre-K to 3rd grade. Seesaw is designed for your child to see their homework, classwork, and projects. Once they work on the assigned work, they can upload their work straight onto the site. Teachers are notified once the work is uploaded. In order to open your account as a parent or your child's student account, you need a text code or a QR code. A QR code looks like this and can be sent home in a document that looks like this. You may also have received the QR code or text code in an email that looks like this. If you received an email like this, you can click this link and it will take you directly to Seesaw. It will ask you to select your child from the list and then remind you that the teacher will need to approve your access. Next, it will ask you to create a family account. Fill out the information for yourself as a parent, for this is your account to have access to your child's schoolwork. If you were given a QR code, you must go to web.seesaw.me and create an account. It will then ask you to scan the QR code. A QR code looks like this. With your device's camera, you must center the QR code in the middle of the shot. It will automatically detect the QR code. The link and the QR code are specific to your child. Do not share QR codes with other families, for it is specifically for your child. Then, it will ask you to select your child from the list and then remind you that the teacher will need to approve your access. Next, it will ask you to sign up. Fill out the information for yourself as a parent, for this is your account to have access to your child's schoolwork. Then, you will be taken to this brief introduction of Seesaw. Then, this will be the home page, where you will see posts that your child's teacher has posted. If you click Journals, you will see the classes your child is enrolled in. If you have multiple children on your Seesaw account, you can see all of the classes your children are enrolled in. To find your child's work, click on the class that they are in and click their name. Then, you will be able to see all of the work they have on Seesaw, or if they have any assignments to turn in. In Inbox, you can see messages you have received from teachers. Unfortunately, you are not able to contact your child's teacher first if they have not contacted you first. Once they have contacted you, you are able to respond directly to the message here by typing your message and sending it. You can also add another child to Seesaw. In order to do this, click on your name in the upper left corner. Then, this menu will open. Click Add Child's Journal. Then, you will either click Scan QR code or use link/URL. If you have a QR code, scan the code the same way you scanned the first one. If you have a link, open the email where the link is and click the link. Instead of creating an account, click Sign In. Log in with the same information you used for your other child. Log in with the same information you used to access your other child's student account in order to join your two children on one Seesaw account. Thank you for watching our video on how to use the Parent Seesaw portal. Any questions can be left in the comments below, or you can also contact your child's teacher for assistance. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos on how to ensure computer literacy. Thank you.